Hi, my name is Tara. I'm with Flat Top Mountain Farm, and we're going to talk about how to properly cut lavender today. Lavender is a shrub, and it does have wood growth on the plant, and so we have to be careful not to cut into that wood growth because you don't want to damage it and open it up to disease and other things like that. So I cut it down to where there's about 2 leaf nodules on the stem. If you look here, you'll see about right here where it starts getting more kind of bushy is where that wood growth is. You don't want to cut into there. So I go down to about this second, cut right below that second leaf nodule there. And so that's what it should look like after you cut a stem. And sometimes you will have these little baby lavender offshoots. And so eventually, after all the stems are harvested off the lavender, we'll have that nice mound shape. And these plants here are 3-year-old plants. We have some also that are 1-year-old, and they are about half of this size. And I like to cut at an angle. The reason I like to do that is because that helps, like if it rains or the dew, when that happens, it helps the water shed off the stem if it's at an angle on the plant. If it's flat, that water can sit on top of there and cause fungal issues on the plant, and so we definitely don't want to do that. And so also, when you're cutting the stems, you want to get those stems that are more mature. You can see a difference, like this one's a more mature one. It has some of the blooms are starting to open up versus one like this one that's a little bit more tender. So it's not quite mature yet. So those ones that are not as mature, they're not going to have as much scent to them as the more mature ones. You know what? So when you get your lavender bundle home, you can hang it up upside down just anywhere in your home that it's kind of cool, and it'll take a couple weeks or so for them to dry. Once they're dry, you can flip them back over, but the reason you hang them upside down is so that they'll stay straight. You could dry them flat, but then your bouquet will be flat on one side. If you keep it out of your bouquet out of direct sunlight, it will hold its scent for years. I have some lavender bundles that are about 5 years old now, and they still smell great. And that is how you cut lavender.